Life isn't about how hard you fall, it's about how many times you rise again. But let's be honest, rising isn't always a solitary act. Healing isn't just an individual journey, it's a collective one. How often do we stumble because we're carrying the weight of a broken system, fractured relationships, or inherited wounds? And how often do we rise because someone reached out a hand? We live in a world that glorifies independence but avoids the hard truth: no one heals in isolation. The wounds we carry are often shared, passed down through generations, amplified by a society that thrives on competition instead of connection. Healing begins when we acknowledge that the pain we feel isn't just ours, and neither is the solution. But here's the uncomfortable part: healing requires accountability. It demands that we stop pointing fingers and start asking hard questions. What choices have I made that keep the cycle alive? Have I chosen silence when I should have spoken? Have I ignored the pain of others because it was easier to focus on my own? Actionable insights. True healing begins when we stop looking at ourselves as isolated and start seeing ourselves as interconnected. Here's how we can begin this process together. Healing starts within. Begin by asking yourself, what patterns am I repeating? What stories do I keep telling myself about who I am and what I deserve? Self-awareness isn't just a tool, it's the foundation of transformation. Reach out to someone today, not to fix them, but to listen, to understand, to hold space. Healing flows when we allow ourselves to be seen and heard, and when we offer that same grace to others. Stop seeing others as rivals and start seeing them as partners in co-creating something better. The world changes when we move from me to we, from fighting for the top to lifting each other up. Remember this: chaos and fear only have power when we let them guide our choices. But every day, we have the chance to choose differently. We can choose accountability over blame, connection over isolation, and growth over stagnation. Healing isn't about perfection, it's about progress. And together, we can create something beautiful, something lasting. Call to action. So, what step will you take today? Will you reflect on a pattern you want to change, reach out to someone, or let go of the need to compete? Share your thoughts, goals, or even a small step you're taking in the comments. Your journey matters, and your story could inspire someone else to begin theirs. We come to the end of our message with a reminder that you are not alone. We are in this together, and when we choose healing, not just for ourselves, but for each other, we unlock a future filled with possibility. By sharing, you inspire others to do the same. If this message resonates with you, hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, every piece of knowledge you gain is a tool to build the life you deserve. When you grow, the world grows with you.